Groups communities spread your influence. With so many new social networking sites, you may be tempted to overlook the older groups and forums that first started this trend online. Don't. These are a goldmine of targeted traffic that usually attracts people who are webmasters, entrepreneurs, and other people who are technically involved in spreading information on the World Wide Web. So, while joining social networks increases your exposure to the ordinary folk, you can usually find some heavy-duty movers and shakers on groups. And that's where you should be too to gather some of that influence for yourself. Not only that, but groups are exquisitely narrowed to specific topics and concerns. Where else can you go to a group that is involved solely in the pursuit of all things that deal with Keanu Reeves, or some other film star? Where else will you find an area solely devoted to composting or raising worms? The number of groups on the web is astounding, as so is the degree to which they specialize. Since they are so specialized, they make the perfect petri dish to grow exactly the type of connection that brings people who are interested in your products back to your website. Finally, it's far easier to be noticed in a small group of a few hundred people than it is to be noticed on a social networking site with millions of people. Obviously, the more you participate in a group and contribute to the conversation intelligently, the higher your reputation in that group. Eventually, if you maintain a presence in a group long enough, people start to remember who you are from your older posts, and they will start to see you as more of an expert in the topic that the group is discussing. This not only increases your influence in the group, but eventually it increases your influence with the people who are going to be your customers. They will land on your website from links placed in your signature when you post it, and they will be more apt to buy from you because they trust you. Groups galore. So, where are these groups and how do you find them? Groups can be set up by anyone, a major portal online, or even non-profits or other social entrepreneur sites. There are even groups on Facebook that you can join that will allow you to network outside your profile and connected friends. Some groups are started by website owners who offer a membership that includes access to special groups. These aren't free like the others, but if they are highly popular can lead to getting good traffic if you contribute within them content that people admire. If you want to find groups by plugging into a search engine, just add the following into the search box, keyword plus groups, to find more groups. Bonus. There are more than 45 tools which can help you with SEO research and SEO audits. Find all those tools if you wish to. Good part is all those tools is just free to use. Get access now. For more information, please visit SEOtoolsportal.com. If you like this video, then you can subscribe this channel for future updates. And don't forget to like, share and comment. Thanks for watching.